Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the drive and launching tools. First, back up any data. Once erased, it is gone. Connect the SSD through a USB enclosure or adapter and make sure it has power, then identify its drive letter or device node. Open Disk Management on Windows, Disk Utility on Mac OS, or use lsblk/blkid on Linux to confirm the SSD. Once done, unmount any mounted partitions to avoid conflicts, and keep administrative rights ready so you can perform the format without interruptions. Now you choose the partition scheme and file system because that affects booting and compatibility. Pick MBR for older BIOS systems or GPT for UEFI and drives over 2 TB. Then select a file system, NTFS for Windows-only use, XFAT when you need cross-platform access, apps, or HFS Plus for Mac OS. In the tool, create a new partition table, create partitions, then apply a quick or full format. A quick format is fast. A full format scans for bad sectors, choose according to your needs, and finish by verifying the SSD shows the correct size, partition layout, and file system. Then test by copying files and measuring transfer speed. Once satisfied, safely eject the USB device to avoid corruption. If something goes wrong, start with the basics. Swap the USB cable or enclosure, ensure adequate power, and try another USB port. Next, run smart tests and a surface scan to detect hardware faults. If software still fails, reformat from a different operating system or use a dedicated disk utility to recover or reinitialize the drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.